welcome back to Adventuring with Amanda. Thank you so much for being here today. In this video, which is sponsored by Bluetti, we are unboxing my Bluetti power station. This honkin' beast. Bluetti sent me one of their power stations, their 716 watt power station. So we are going to open it in this video. Let's get going. Okay guys, we're going to get started by opening the Bluetti. It's fairly heavy actually, so that's the first thing I noticed. Like, whew, very heavy. So, this is my first time opening it. Okay. Give us a fancy little Bluetti envelope here. Ooh, I hope I got a sticker. Okay, so looks like just basic instructions. So here it is, the 716 watt portable power station. It passed the inspector queue, so that's good. No sticker in here, but this is just the warranty info. So if you're watching Bluetti, you should put a sticker in here so I could, for us sticker fiends. Okay, so we got, looks like probably the power cords. Yep, so 12 volt regular AC adapter. This looks like it's probably okay, so here's the big battery pack for it. And then this looks like it's probably for like solar connection, I'm guessing. Okay, so there's all of our hookups. That's cool. Okay, now for the good part. This thing is beastly. I'm used to having my small, my small Jackery 240 and my Rock Pals 300. They're so small and light. I mean, that's a nice box. Okay, this thing is heavy, guys. Okay, here we go. Yay. Can you guys even see that? I'll lift it up so you guys can see. Okay, oh, this has a nice handle. Yay, here it is. I like this handle, look, because it goes down flush. It fits flush in there. Unlike the Jackery and the Rock Pals. Look at that. That's nice. Oh, I love that. I love how it has a flat top, unlike the Jackery and the Rock Pals. Now this, like I said, this is heavy, guys. It's, whew, this thing is no joke. Let me actually turn the camera around so I can show you guys what it looks like. Here it is, folks, my new Bluetti power station. The color is slate gray. Like I said, it has this handle that folds in, which is awesome. Oh my gosh, look at all of this power capability. This is amazing. Look at all of this power I have. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. This thing is a beast. I mean, seriously, this thing is, damn. This thing is beastly. I'm serious. This is quality, you guys. I like how it matches my van. As you can see, it matches my albacool, my interior, my stuff. So, would I have absolutely loved the mint green one? Yes, but I'm so excited and grateful for this. This is so awesome. So cool. So this is what it looks like. I'm currently rearranging my van. I'm sure you guys are super surprised to hear that. But it's perfect because I need to find a place to put this. So I don't really know much about it right now. This is simply an unboxing video because there will be another video to come about how it works and how absolutely incredible it hopefully will be. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this quick Bluetti unboxing video. I am, like I said, so grateful that Bluetti sent me the power station to try out. Now, I don't have a Bluetti solar panel, but my Rockpal solar panel will work with it. My Rockpal's 100 solar panel. So I think that will work really well in conjunction with the Bluetti, but obviously I haven't used it yet. I have to test it out and try it and do all these things. So we'll have another video coming once I've had a chance to use it and test it out. But in the meantime, there will also be a video about something else I'm doing in my van, just a new little piece of furniture. So stay tuned for that in the meantime. And I will see you next time. Thanks, guys.